Hello everyone, I think all are well. Actually, in this video, I will share you how you learn AI/ML by step. Actually, this video I will cover the full guideline 2025 for learning AI. Actually, uh, actually I will describe about why you should learn AI/ML and learn Python and essential libraries, which libraries you should use in to learn AI. Then I will describe about understanding basic math and AI/ML, how many math you should learn. Then I also share you the data science and processing related topics, and I will cover the most important part, machine learning algorithm. Okay, then this is not all. I also share you in this video about the learning curve learning curve and the benefits of learning AI and etc. All things I will share you. Okay, today, first of all, why we should learn AI and ML. Actually, 2025 AI is most demandable topic. Like is a high market demand and high paying jobs it have, and the important thing is automation and decision marketing also need AI, and entrepreneurship opportunity is one of the most important for learning AI. Actually, we can note down high high market high market demand. Then we can note down the second part, high paying jobs. Okay, now we learned why the high market demand. Actually, AI and ML are in high demand across industries, including healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity, and e-learning commerce. Okay, actually, why I say the high-paying job. Actually, AI engineers and ML specialists earn in an average salary maybe actually 100K plus globally. And automation and decision marketing have also need AI. AI enables automation and intelligence decision for marketing. And best way to develop yourself, that is many AI based startup are growing, offering innovative solution. You can choose this. Okay, then the next part, the why you learn AI, how many Python and essential libraries you need. Okay, in this part I will say about how many will learn a Python. Actually, you should to learn Python basic, like a variable, data types, loops, function, classes. Actually, Python Python basic. You should learn Python basic. Basic means variable, data types, loops, function, classes, and you can learn objects. That's it. And after Python basic learning, you should to learn some libraries, live yes, libraries for AI. Actually, Python have so many libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, and you have to learn pandas for data handling, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. Okay, after learning these Python topics and libraries, you can create a live project like stock marketing analysis, like project project STOC, stock stock market stock market analysis. It is a live project for analyzing stock data using pandas and visualizing trends with Matplotlib. Okay, then this is a first part for learning AI/ML, learn Python and essential libraries. Then the second part is understanding basic math or AI/ML for AI/ML. Okay, how many math you should learn. Okay, what if I say what to learn. So in this part, you have to learn the linear algebra. Linear, sorry, this is a problem. Okay, also linear algebra. LINEA, linear, L linear algebra. How many linear algebra you will learn? Okay, metrics, vectors, evaluates, and this is actually the metrics and vectors is most important for linear algebra to learning AI/ML. Okay, then you have to learn the probability. Probability. Probability is also important for actually a Bayes theorem. Probability distributions needs your future life. Also, the one important topic is statics. STI statics actually is a problem. Statics. Okay, it's a problem, but it's the statics. Static mean, medium, standard deviation, hypothesis testing is also need. After completing this part, you can take a live project example like wait COVID like a COVID-19 data analysis, actually extracting insight from a real-time COVID-19 data sets using statistical methods. Okay, this part you should learn linear algebra, probability, and static. Okay, then the third part you should to learn the data science and pre-processing. Okay, why to learn? What to learn? There is so many topic like handling missing data, features scaling, and outlier detection is also important. Exploratory data analysis, I mean EDA, and using pandas the framework. Okay, then after in this part, what you should to be create for your future life, you can create customer purchasing behavior analysis example project. It's understanding e-commerce trends using customer data. Okay, after data science learning, you should learn the next part, machine learning algorithms. Okay, this is one of the most important parts means that part you have to learn supervised learning, unsupervised learning, model evaluations, and raw curve metrics. Okay, well, in this part which topics you should learn, actually super BISET supervised learning. Supervised learning have some subtopic like linear registrations for prediction, decision trees, and random forest. Okay, then you have to learn SVM. Why SVM? Actually, SVM is support vector machines. Support vector machines is also included for supervised learning. Then you have to learn the unsupervised learning. This part have two major part like K means clustering and hierarchical clustering. It's you have to learn, and then model evaluation have some topics like cross validation, confusion matrix, ROC curve. You have to learn, and after this learning step, then you have to you have a live example like you can take a live example like e-commerce product recommendation system that is be good for you. Okay, the one of the most another important part is deep learning. Deep learning is one of the most important, I want to say, because in this part you have to learn understanding neural networks and activation function and recurrent neural networks, I mean RNNs for time series prediction, generative adversarial network, GNS, for AI generated image. There are you can after this part you have to create a project like a fake image detection system. This is maybe it's good for your learning. Okay, I don't write this, sorry for that. Okay, this part have a CNN, sorry, CNN, C, CNN. Okay, so it's some problem. Okay, CNN, RNN, GANS is a important part for this. The seventh part we have to learn neural language processing and NLP. After learning this part, NLP part have some topics like sentiment analyzing using NLP, speech to text and text to speech processing, and lemmatization, stop words removal. This NLP part is important for this. Actually, after this part, you have to learn AI model deployment. AI model deployment is not coming. Okay. AI model deploy, actually application and job market is the last part for my video. Actually in this part before this part one part I was missed AI model deployment. Actually you can Flux and Fast API is important for creating AI based web application. Docker actually containing AI models for deployment, AOS, Google Cloud or Azure deploying model to cloud platforms. Okay, in this part I will say the most and one of the most important part, application for job market benefit. How many benefit you will get. Okay, if you choose the entrepreneurship, you can create AI based SaaS startup, AI powered business automation, and AI chatbot. But if you choose the job opportunity, like you will be hired, AI, as an AI engineer, as a data scientist, as a ML engineer, as a NLP engineer, as a computer vision expert. All are high demandable job. You can choose the freelancing or remote job for your life. Like AI related tasks are the high demand on Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Now I will say about the 30 days AI learning. 30 I will share the 30 days AI learning challenge. Like the first week, you can learn the Python, NumPy, Pandas, and the second week you can learn the learn statistics, linear algebra, probability. Okay. Then the third week you can build ML models, registrations, classifications, clustering. Okay. The fourth week you can learn the deep learning like CNN, RNN, and AI model deployment. Okay. Maybe the video is we creating a long video. Okay. That's why after the okay guys. Uh, I have no any extra instruction for you, but if you need any type of AI and ML related learning or any type of question, you can ask me. This is a technology related YouTube channel, so please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Okay, we will see the next day, the next video. Okay, bye.